Hey, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I have another episode of Tell and Show. Going to tell you about a bike, then I'm going to show it to you. In today's episode, this is one of the wife's bikes. She picked this bike up from a very dear friend of ours. He sweet talked her into purchasing the bike. And so the bike was not bad shape. We had a lot of difficulty. Well, I'm going to say she had a lot of difficulty because she wanted to get down and she wanted to build the bike and she wanted to do majority of the bike herself. I said, well, let's do it. So anyway, this bike is a Heathkit Boonie. Still looking for some of the parts. Hopefully we'll find one day. But anyway, we got the bike home. Started getting the bike ripped apart. She was looking at it, decided she wanted a bigger, fatter tire on the back because it kind of had a tall, skinny tire. Whatnot. So anyway, she tracked down her own tire, which I'll show you that. This thing's got like, it's a huge hooser on the back for a mini bike. But getting the bike apart, we probably went through 2 bottles of MAP gas, propane, whatever, trying to heat the axle up to get the bearings and everything out of the rear hub assembly. Because we wanted to try and save it, because there's no way I would be able to find another one that, and this was the factory hub and wheel assembly that was on the bike. So she was heating it up and spraying penetrating oil in it, smoking out the shop, just trying to get this thing apart without damaging the stuff. So that was a task, but she got it. We finally got it knocked out, got the rest of the bike stripped apart, and then she ordered her tire, and we had to relocate the rear fender a little bit to make this big meat stick underneath it. She actually went to Harbor Freight lunchtime, snatched her up her Predator and brung it home and said, I got my own motor. I was like, all right. So I gave her the tools, stood there while she ripped it all apart, took the governor out. So she did all that stuff on her own. So she didn't have to post pictures because y'all are going to think I'm lying. So she doesn't like to be on camera in pictures, but this particular video, she's going to have to be. So she actually tore the engine all apart, and I helped her torque everything when we re-put the motor back together. But she put a Mod 2 cam in it. I think we put like 18-pound springs. Did the stage 1, just a heavy breather, a bunch of Go parts, Go Fast parts from Go Power Sports. But anyway, I was very pleased. She was really happy with the bike. I'm happy that she done a whole lot of the work herself. I did do the painting, but really happy with the bike. But enough being said, we're going to go out here and take a look at this here Heathkit Boonie of the wife's. See what y'all think about it. So if you like the wife's bike, hey, make sure and ooh, golly, that got bright. Like I said, if you like the bike, make sure and leave a note, because she is the one that does all my videos and editing, so she will see your post. And it's windy. Hopefully this video will turn out good. But anyway, let's spin it around, take a look. Woo-wee! Look at this thing. I tried to get it out in the sun, then the sun moved away. But anyway, I got grass on it. I had it all cleaned. But anyway, she found this big, huge hooser. It's actually for a mini sprint car. Let's see, roll around. It's a 16 8.5 by 8 to make it fit. And these rims were like really pitted on the inside, and now if we got everything apart, but we were able to manage to save everything, all the brake lever, all the mechanism, rebuilt all that, got it all painted. Let's see if we can get down in here. This bike come with the factory jack shaft assembly. She wanted all the fancy chrome acorn nuts, so it's got all new gears, chain. The frame is like a turquoise. Of course, I'm not sure how it's going to show up on film, but it's a turquoise with a bright white. It's automotive paint, so it's a base clear. Like I said, we got the 8-inch spun aluminum, got the top plate, all this stuff from Go Power Sports. Even got the cool clear valve cover kicking, the heavy breather. And let's see, we put the fancy chrome acorn nuts down here as well. Got one of their tires from Go Power Sports, their clutch. And the bike, we painted the engine block. She liked the cast iron gray, so I did the block in a cast iron gray high temp paint. And then she even found her own header somewhere online. I don't remember where she found that at. Maybe she can leave you a link if she doesn't want to be stingy. But this pipe is really big, so it's got a real good rumble to it. Even wrapped her own header pipe, folks. Yes, she did. Got the factory kickstand. Like I said, we went through all the jack shaft and bearings. And I think I need to tell her she needs to redo her pinstriping a little bit. But anyway, this bike here is going to be probably, we're going to ride it one more time. I'm going to drain all the fluids out. I'm going to take y'all for a spin on it today. But look at, let me give you a shot of the back of this thing. Woo! That is a meat right there. Like I said, we had it come with a little bit taller of a tire, but wasn't as wide. So we had to relocate the fender brackets a little bit, which wasn't too big a deal. I didn't really want to cut everything up, but it fit good. My buddy Simon Paul did her a little diamond stitched here with the white lace around the side, which makes it look really, really sexy. So the bike ride is a little different ride with this big, huge tire on the back, because all it wants to do is basically stand up straight, and turning is kind of fun. But anyway, so let me see if we can kick this thing down here a little bit, pop the legs out on this here stand. We're gonna fire it up for you and let y'all see how this rascal sounds. Oh, if I can get the stand to work. Oh, it's falling all over the place. Bear with me, folks, it's windy. All right, let's give her a shout. See what she says. Turn it on. Oh. Cool. So let me put this thing on a different tripod and let's take it for a spin around the block. All right, folks, there's another one. Hope y'all enjoy this tell and show video. That was one of the wife's bikes. That's her Heathkit Boonie. So if you like the bike, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about it. And make sure and hit the like and subscribe and share button, please. And y'all take care. We will see y'all on the next video. See y'all.